Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a flight test of the Skydroid G16 Remote Controller paired with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. Let's take a look at how this combination performs in a real-world flight environment, including takeoff, hovering, cruising, and maneuvering, as well as its overall stability and control feel. The equipment used in this test includes the Skydroid G16 Remote Controller, the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller, and the CUAV Neo 4 SE positioning module. Before the flight, we followed standard safety procedures. First, powering on the drone without installing the propellers. Connecting the flight controller to QGC ground station. Unlocking the motors from the transmitter side. And checking each motor's rotation direction one by one. After confirming everything was correct, we installed the corresponding propellers and proceeded with takeoff. During takeoff, the system's responsiveness was immediately noticeable. With a gentle throttle input, the aircraft lifted off smoothly, without visible vibration or attitude deviation. The climb was linear and stable. Once entering position hold, the aircraft maintained a steady attitude with precise pitch and roll control. After GPS lock, the drift range was minimal. Even with light wind interference, the system quickly corrected its attitude, delivering solid and reliable hover performance. In mid to low speed cruising, slight stick inputs resulted in crisp and decisive turns, without any sluggish response. During larger roll and pitch maneuvers, the aircraft responded quickly yet smoothly with natural attitude transitions. In continuous S-turn maneuver tests, the flight controller processed attitude changes promptly, resulting in smooth cornering transitions and clean flight paths, without noticeable tail swing or delayed correction. During rapid climb and dive tests, the power output and attitude control worked seamlessly together. Even with significant throttle changes, the flight controller maintained stable attitude without obvious oscillation. In sudden braking tests, when returning the stick to center from high-speed forward flight, the aircraft decelerated cleanly and recovered its attitude quickly, demonstrating the maturity and precision of the flight control algorithm. Throughout the flight, the G16's control sticks delivered a refined and smooth feel, with precise centering and accurate response to subtle inputs. Powered by a Qualcomm 6nm processor and running on Android 13, the ground station system operated smoothly with stable real-time data display. The dual-band 2.4 GHz 5.8 GHz transmission link, featuring automatic frequency hopping and dynamic adjustment, ensured stable video and data transmission without noticeable lag or interruption. The 7-inch 1920x1200 sunlight-readable display remained clearly visible even under strong outdoor lighting. Flight parameters, attitude information and map interfaces were displayed clearly and intuitively. The built-in high-energy density lithium battery provides approximately 9 to 10 hours of battery life, offering sufficient endurance for extended testing and field operations. Meanwhile, the CUAV X7 Plus, powered by a high-performance STM32H7 series processor and featuring a patented vibration isolation structure, demonstrated excellent stability throughout the flight. Whether resisting wind during hover or maintaining attitude control during high-speed maneuvers, it showed strong algorithm stability and anti-interference capability. Overall, this combination performed in a highly mature and stable manner in real-world flight. The Skydroid G16 delivered a smooth system experience and reliable video data transmission link, while the CUAV X7 Plus provided precise and stable flight control performance. Together, they demonstrated professional-level capability across takeoff, hovering, cruising, and maneuver testing. That concludes our Skydroid G16 and CUAV X7 Plus flight test. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more real-world drone tests, connection tutorials, and flight experience sharing, please follow the World Drone Market channel.